Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with my December daily, and today I'm going to make December the 13th. Yesterday I made number 12, this one, and now I'm going to make number 13, this one. So I'm going to use this little guy as a journaling card, this doily, and I'm not going to make a pocket this time, but I will tape the card on the page so you can flip it, and I'm writing down my journaling over there. So I'm going to glue or to attach the card first. Maybe I should do something else with the card. Could use the corner punch or some lace or something. No, that is going to disappear. Could do it this way though. No, I'm going to use tape. I have this stuff that was in Happy Mail. Well, I don't know what to do with that. I think I'm going to punch something. Well, let's try. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to ink the edges, and then I don't have gold. Well, I'm using red then. Maybe I could do something with glitter glue. Oh, well, I'm going to ink the edges up first, I hope. Oh, this is the dry one again, which I have to refill, but I don't have refill, so I'm going to use alcohol to make it a bit wet. So I can use it anyway. I could round the corners though. Could do that. Not sure yet. No, I'm leaving it this way. Maybe I'm gluing it a bit off center, like so. Yeah, a bit this way, like so. So I have to glue some tape on. Maybe the whole way? No, only this. I'm afraid I have to use some glue because it doesn't stick very well. Like so. That sticks, but this doesn't stick very well, so I'm using some glue to stick it on the page. Like this. Where was I? Somewhere. Like, yeah. it's glued on, so I can flip it over when it's glued. I have to wait for a while, so I can journal on that. And the doily I'm going to glue on there, like so. Well, I have to flip it over because I can't glue the doily on when I don't. Well, put some glue on the doily first. In the center and on the edges. I think that's enough. So like so. Well, it sticks already, so I leave it this way. And I could do something on there. Ugh. It's very sticky, this glue. So well, I have all kinds of bits and pieces from old cards, and I could use something to glue on, but I found this also, or I have this, make it is December to remember, and I can glue that on if I want to, but if I do it exactly in the center, you see a little piece, a very little piece, so maybe I can cut it a bit smaller. No, I won't do that. It's such a little piece, you can't see it. Oh, this is a tag, I see. There is a little hole in it. So maybe I'm going to do something with that. So I'm going to glue that on. And I'm not going to attach a ribbon or something like that on that, because the card will open too much. So I'll keep it flat as possible. So, and what I will do with that, don't know, maybe I have little Swarovski well, gems, lots of them. Maybe I could glue a little one over there. Maybe a little red one. Are they flat? No, they are not flat. So that won't glue very well, I'm afraid. No, they are little diamonds, so that's not going to work, I'm afraid. So, well, I have gems too. Where do they? I have them. Here I have them. But oh, here. There they are. So maybe some gem is flat enough, and I could do a blue one, a red one, a yellow one. I do a yellow one. a golden. So it's going to pop up a little bit, the card, but well, that's the way it is. Just glue it on there. Oh, come on, in the middle. Push it for a bit, so that's it. Oh yeah, I have to search for a 13. Maybe I could use this glue for little dots on here. Yeah, that's nice. So, and now I will search for a number 13. Well, I have these star stickers, so I'm going to use the 1 and number 3. I have the 10, but I have no 11 or 12 or 13, so I'm going to do it this way. Just stick 2 over there. So I hope it's straight. Well, that's my day number 13. I will journal on that, and this is it. It pops up a bit, but well, that's the way it is. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.